Welcome back, my bots. So have you ever heard of ethical hackers? The good guys in the black hat world? If you're intrigued by the idea of using your hacking skills for good, then the CEH certification might be your calling. In this episode, we'll be dissecting everything CEH, from what it is to why it could be your ticket to a thrilling career in cybersecurity. So get ready to transform from hacking newbie to certified ethical hero. So let's move to my screen and dive into the journey of ethical hacker.
The bat signal is calling. What is CEH V12? The internet is a wild place, full of dangers lurking in the digital shadows. But fear not, citizens. Just like Gotham has Batman, the digital world has certified ethical hackers, or CEHs. These skilled professionals are trained to think like the bad guys, finding and fixing vulnerabilities before the villains can exploit them. CEH V12 is the latest version of this globally recognized certification from EC Council. This isn't just about learning to hack. It's about mastering ethical hacking. You'll dive deep into over 50 attack technologies, learning to defend against everything from malware and phishing to cloud computing threats. Think of it like Batman's utility belt, packed with all the tools and knowledge you need to combat cybercrime. With CEH V12 under your belt, you'll be a valuable asset to any organization looking to fortify its digital defenses. So are you ready to answer the call? The digital world needs heroes, and becoming a certified ethical hacker could be your first step towards a thrilling career fighting cybercrime. Climbing Wayne Tower, applying for CEH V12. Becoming Batman's sidekick starts with rigorous training, and the same goes for becoming a CEH. First, you need to scale the metaphorical Wayne Tower, which means tackling the application process. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as facing down the Joker. You can apply for the CEH V12 exam directly through the EC Council's website or through one of their authorized training partners. The application is straightforward, requiring some basic personal and professional information. Before you suit up, though, be aware of the eligibility criteria. EC Council prefers candidates to have at least 2 years of experience in information security and a strong understanding of networking concepts. However, don't be discouraged if you're new to the field. There are workarounds. You can opt for their official training program, which provides the knowledge foundation and makes you eligible to take the exam. Training with the Dark Knight. How to prepare for the CEH exam. Now comes the fun part, training. Imagine Batman guiding you through the Batcave, showing you the ropes of ethical hacking. You'll need to be sharp, resourceful, and ready to learn. Start by immersing yourself in the official CEH V12 curriculum. It's packed with real-world scenarios, hands-on labs, and expert insights. Think of it as studying Batman's case files, learning from his past victories and analyzing his opponent's tactics. Remember, practice makes perfect, even for a superhero in training. Utilize practice exams and virtual labs to sharpen your skills, and never underestimate the power of community. Joining online forums and study groups is like having your own Bat family, offering support and sharing knowledge. Section 4. Funding your mission. CEH V12. Fee structure. Even Batman needs Wayne Enterprises resources to fund his crime-fighting gadgets. Similarly, the CEH V12 certification requires an investment. But consider it an investment in your future, just like a state-of-the-art utility belt. The exact cost can vary depending on how you choose to prepare. You can opt for self-study, online courses, or instructor-led training, each with a different price tag. The exam voucher itself also comes at a fee. Don't let the numbers scare you away. Check the EC Council website for the most up-to-date pricing and available discounts. Remember, becoming a certified ethical hacker can open doors to lucrative career opportunities, making this investment well worth it. Section 5. Ready to protect Gotham and the Internet. So, you've learned about ethical hacking, explored the application process, trained hard, and even factored in the costs. Now, the question is, are you ready to don the cowl and protect the digital world? Remember, becoming a CEH isn't about becoming Batman overnight. It's about embarking on a journey of continuous learning and skill development. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and a true cybercrime fighter needs to adapt and upgrade their arsenal just as Batman does. But with dedication, the right training, and a passion for cybersecurity, you can become a formidable force against cyber threats. You can be the hero the internet needs, safeguarding organizations and individuals from the dangers lurking in the digital shadows. Section 6. A final word from the Bat Cave. Remember, as Batman says, it's not who I am underneath but what I do that defines me. Earning the CEH V12 certification is just the beginning. It's your actions, your dedication to ethical hacking, and your unwavering commitment to cybersecurity that will truly make a difference. Now go out there, be vigilant, be ethical, and make the digital world a safer place, one hack at a time.
By obtaining this certification, you'll not only gain in-depth knowledge, but also demonstrate your commitment to ethical hacking principles. This can help you stand out in the job market and potentially lead to higher salaries. So there you have it, folks. Feel free to share your opinion in comments. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about cybersecurity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there.